Wake up! Family, it's time we wake up and get into intentional repair of our people. So, in being intentional and being solution driven, I'm not waiting for the government. I'm not waiting for our former slave masters, oppressors. I'm not waiting for corporations or reparations or anyone to come save or repair us. We know, Malcolm already told us, that we have suffered from political oppression, economic exploitation, and social degradation. So all we gotta do is reverse that and start to repair ourselves. And we created a 30-point, totally free curriculum for our people called the ARC, like Noah's Ark, AARC, to help save us. It's the Africans in America Repair Curriculum with 15 points on social repair, everything from African values to African history to parenting classes, self-development, self-awareness, health and wellness, self-defense, right? All these classes on social repair, and then classes, 15 points on economic repair, business etiquette, personal development to credit, real estate, commercial real estate, nonprofit formation, franchises. Let us give you the game live for free from the Legacy Center. This is digital, it's virtual, you can watch it online, it's totally free. It's not a guru gimmick class, but it is the repair curriculum that has been long needed and much needed within our community. I want you all to tap in, register to get these 30 free classes, 2 classes, 15 days straight, totally free, with some of the best experts in our community teaching us what we need to know that our former slave masters had stripped from our ancestors and never intentionally gave us, as we were dehumanized, demoralized, right? Our dignity stripped, treated as property, brought through COINTELPRO, brought through Jim Crow, brought through vagrancy tactics, peonage, sharecropping, the convict leasing system, mass incarceration, the war on drugs, stop and frisk, police brutality, the school to prison pipeline, all these things that have broken us. When you are broken, you need to be fixed. When you are broken, you need repair. Our people have never intentionally been repaired. And this curriculum we put together, we paid and invested in professional curriculum writers to give us lesson plans, quizzes, tests, assessments, book recommendations, proper instruction manuals for our instructors. We put this together over the last 3 years to give us a comprehensive repair program to help piece together our broken people. I want you all to register for this. Although it's free, pretend you paid for it. Register for it, show up, spread the word, and let's repair ourselves and stop blaming and waiting on them and they to do something for us God already gave us the power to do for our damn selves. The curriculum is here, the ARC is here, the solution is now, and we need you to register. I'll see you there.